Kubor baman kesngi, awan lam shipi da unang yalam ni.
4 major rules. Main thing that we did is in the red buses, we were collecting the money from we gave the buses to entrepreneurs, we are collecting the money. So this is going to be run by private guys? This is going to be run by private guys only. Okay. But we are not collecting money from them. Right. We have given them it's all tech operated. The ticketing machines will show you. Tickets also will be generated on the machine only. It's all live.
This is the handover of the 7 food carts to Vandahan Vikas Kendra. From West Jante Hills, Mukla Nanjum BDBK. From West Jante Hills, Mukla Nanjum BDBK. From Reboy, we have Sari Kushi VDBK. From West Khasi Hills, we have Songsak VDBK. From Southwest Khasi Hills, we have Kenyong VDBK. And finally, from East and West Khasi Hills, we have Marnar VDBK. Thank you very much, sir.
Group photo, sir. I think one group photo.
Beneficiaries, and may you continue to bring the flavor of the hills through your McBites food carts.
Thank you. One photo with the buses. Buses, yeah. Come on. So, okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Now with the team. Come with the team. Come. Thank you.
Banyo iki kubor baman kesngi, subscribe subscribe ika channel unang yalam news. Kublai shibu.